Hey guys, welcome back. This is Steve with LRM Leasing, and if you guys are just tuning in, I want to talk about a truck that I have right behind me, Freightliner Cascadia. Customer came in stating that he had a power problem. My biggest thing is when a truck comes in and my technicians look at it, we like to use the KISS method. If you guys don't know what that is, it's pretty much keep it simple, stupid. So that's what we're trying to do. Some of the simple things is, by one, we're gonna check the boots and anything that comes across where the turbo is, my bad. So it goes from the compressor side to your charge air, as well on the other side. So what we're looking for is any loose clamps, broken hoses, or damaged hoses. And then the second thing we're gonna look at is the air filter. Make sure it's not dirty. And this comes right down to maintenance. Keep that in mind. The guy had no power issue. We didn't have a check engine light on. He just feels like there's not getting enough power. So what we ended up doing is we checked the pipes and clamps, and those were fine. We checked the air filter, sure enough, dirty as heck. Pulled it out, slammed it on the ground, nothing but dirtiness. You guys actually showed up right during the process of us installing the turbo. Air filter's already installed, so we have a brand new air filter in here. And then as you can see right behind me, the turbo is already installed. So that being said is, once we found that the air filter was completely dirty, we installed another filter, cranked it up, but we didn't hear the turbo spool like it's supposed to, and we still wasn't getting enough boost. So what we want to do now is, what we did was we pulled off the pipe and we inspected, and we found that there was oil coming out. So that will happen because there's a seal in the middle, and what happened is when it was trying to suck air from the atmosphere and it's trying to pass that air filter, but it can't because it's plugged up. So it created a problem and damaged the seal and allowed the oil to leak out. So all that boost went somewhere else other than where it needs to in the truck. All right guys, so just remember, maintenance is key when it comes to the truck. It's meant to save you money so you don't have a long-term repair where it costs more money. So like I was saying, air filter can range anywhere between 100 to 160, and that's a lot cheaper than spending $2,000 on a turbo. Filter you can find anywhere, turbo may be a little harder depending where you're at in the country. So just keep that in mind. Maintenance is key, and it's to save you guys money. And again, when you go and get the oil changes, usually when you do an oil change, it doesn't include checking the air filter or replacing it. So always keep that in mind. Make sure you have the technician take a look. Hey, how does my air filter look? And do you think I need to replace it, and so forth, all right? Because that's gonna just save you guys money down the road. Needless to say, we had to put a turbo on here. We're almost done. We are very confident that this is gonna fix the problems, especially when we saw oil coming out of the port. So we ended up cleaning out the pipe, the charge air cooler, and see how expensive this is getting, guys. So once he's done, we're gonna take it for a test drive, and we should have boost, power, and the truck's gonna be back on the road for the customer. So that's what we have going on today. So you guys gotta remember, so to save money and not have this big issue, maintenance, check your air filter, all right? If you guys have any concerns or questions about what you saw now, please leave a comment at the bottom. If you guys like what you saw, don't forget to pound that like button. And guys, if you want more content or even more stuff coming in that I have in my shop, you guys gotta subscribe. I'll see you guys around in the next video.